and a hat hair.
Bro, your facial hair literally looks like pubes.
Literally.
Okay, thank you. The second time that you're gonna go play Victim Friday.
Hey, remember the title of the video, Low Value Women Attack High Value Men. Okay? Be honest about it.
How are you high value when you talk to women the way that
Here's how I'm high value. You're a woman and I get more DMs from the opposite gender than you. I get more DMs. I get more girls who text me and you have a hole.
Fucking die alone because you don't respect women.
If I got
what is gonna happen.
No, he really
you're probably gonna lose.
If I'm gonna be honest, no, she's right. If I got
fucking married,
she's the cat woman is right. If I got an STD, I'd be like, damn. Now we're even.
You probably already had.
I've never had an STD. Okay, no.
Don't lie.
Please,
don't even lie right now.
No, I fuck teenagers. They don't have STDs.
See how stupid that was?
You should be in jail. That's like
No, they're 18, 19. 18 on the birthday.
That is so nasty.
You should have specified.
Call the cops, bitch.
That is fucking embarrassing. And you're a high value man.
FBI, Mossad.
You're a high value man saying you fuck teenagers. You're a disgrace.
18 is
the teenagers told me.
18.
Yeah.
I thought
older
you
guys
fucked
date
mom.
younger women because they're less.
No, they're
more
hard to
likely-
catch. They got rollerblades.
Bro, because you need to get with people who are
Easier to manipulate.
No, you bitches are.
Of your fucking brain.
You look like the.
You can't get.
She looks like the fucking. She looks like the mummy from the movie The Mummy. I want the young bitch. I want to talk about anime with the young bitch. I want to watch Inuyasha and Dragon Ball. I want to talk to these fucking. Imagine fucking this girl and sand is pouring out her pussy. What the fuck? Young bro, I want 18, 19. DM me.
You're proof that we should get girls who are 18, 19. Because if
I'll take you to the playground, girl. Let's get some ice cream. Let's go.
18, 19, and y'all almost like 38. That's
I'm 42.
You're 44?
42. I still got time.
Yeah.
You look like you about 30.
Okay, thank you. And it's proof that if you, I think we should actually, this is proof that
You're
18-year-olds are
aging
better because the
bad.
older you get, the more delusional and retarded you get. It's not like you're on the same
retarded,
level.
Bro, look how you're fucking talking. You're gonna actually die alone. Like,
Am I?
Yeah, like 100%.
Do you know how many girls I have in love with me?
Who gives a shit?
Okay,
bro?
you obviously, you clearly. And to get in your high horse and say, look at the way you talk to women. You started the show saying men are trash, dummy.
Dude.
What are you talking about? You're a misandrist live, and then you're gonna be, oh my god, I'm a victim because you're degrading. You degrade men, stupid.
Honestly, I can't pay attention to what you're saying because I just see the fucking flag coming from your fucking teeth. So.
All right.
The one coming from the
And you have too much money for that.
plaque.
Come on.
The
now.
plaque? Okay.
Yeah, your roasts are terrible, man. Just stick
I
to
was hoping
modeling.
you'd come with something better. Like, make fun of her for being like half Asian or something.
Yeah, something.
Fucking her would be like
You're not racist.
fucking this
You
pale
guys.
girl would be
That's
like
crazy.
necrophilia. She looks undead. She looks like a fucking zombie. Right?
It's also proof that you have nothing to offer besides beauty because it's definitely not your bubbly personality.
Literally
You got
look like
nothing.
a crack.
Hey, you gotta come meet Adam's family.
You're a crack.
You got nothing.
This girl looked like she got flies around her pussy, bro. She looked dirty.
Oh my god.
Yo,
Should we keep going? Are we allowed or is she gonna cry? Wow. Don't cry. Don't turn me on. Don't turn me on.
she opened the door by trying to roast first, man. That was a bad move.
Bro, the fucking cocaine is getting to your fucking brain.
I
I feel like it's weird that you get turned on by girls crying.
Now you've
Like,
made it
that's
personal.
weird.
You attacked my coke. Let me tell you, look at me, bro. Never on me. Hey, you never crossed the line. You only snorted. Let's fucking go. Look at the video.
You a jackass. You a loser. Yo.
Hey, man, you open this door, you try to talk shit, and you get cooked right now, man. Oh,
Honestly,
Lord.
I don't even care because everything that
You don't care. You're gonna jump off this balcony. I have to lock it, bitch. You're fucking done. You're low
I wish that
HP.
you would jump off this balcony, honestly, because the way that you're acting is insane.
Honestly, you're not just not hot. You're also retarded.
You are also, and you're a fucking man.
I know you are, but what am I?
You know what's funny? She's gonna go to a coffin tonight all alone.
You too.
I don't have a coffin. Look, I'm tanned. I'm olive. I'm Albanian. Let's fucking go. Add black.
Your hair is like exceeding to your fucking back.
Yes, sir.
She reminds me of those women who don't shave the bush.
Bitch, have you seen your back? Hello?
I know, no. We both have that problem.
My back is sexy.
Hey, let me tell you something. Oh, God. Invest in lasers. That's what you gotta do. Invest. Okay?
Yeah.
What the
I literally-
I'm serious. You gotta stop spending so much time at the graveyard and laser off that pussy.
Look at you. You're full of hair. How are you?
Come on, keep going. I want more, Zherka. Keep going. What else you got? What else
I
you
don't
got?
know. The only thing I like about her is the Sith Lord robe. She looks like so badass in that.
Listen, you guys literally.
It's literally a
Oh.
blanket.
It's a blanket.
Okay. Do you have tits?
No, I don't.
Oh, you are just a disaster.
You
Holy shit.
Oh shit. Okay.
All
Well,
right.
she opened that door, man.
Well, you asked for it, so.
Yeah,
See, I'm not gonna lie. This is why I went famous. Like, this is so unfair.
Keep
Right?
going. Keep going. Is that it? You're gonna take that?
Wait, what was it? What did he say? What did he say?
I feel like I'm bullying you, right?
Not really. I genuinely like nothing that.
Don't cut yourself when you go home.
Okay.
Yo.
We got
I'm serious.
Like
Some
some fucking
girls are
video,
weird.
bro. Holy shit.
We got.
Yo,
I'm just worried. I'm worried she's gonna start floating. She's gonna start haunting me.
Please don't overdose on the fucking amount of coke
bro,
that you do.
I'm gonna preach and this chick are getting
Just
roasted,
like-
man. in the
Wait,
past
no one's
24
ever,
hours.
Right?
no one's ever
That's
told you you
right.
look like a ghost.
Maybe you need to
I
go
think
to
you have to
rehab.
Either you look
Maybe
like
you need to
a,
go to rehab.
either
I'm
this
not gonna
bitch.
lie, you do got
Hold
some
on,
power. Like,
hold on.
you
I
gotta
appreciate
hold it up
that.
a little bit.
Right?
Bro,
Now
maybe
check
your
this out.
teeth are
I'm ashy.
Maybe
Yo,
that's
check
why
this
you
out.
have to get your
Yo,
teeth
check this
fixed
out.
because your fucking teeth are rotting for all the
Let it
fucking
out,
drugs
baby
you
girl.
do.
Yo, check this out. Don't haunt me tonight, right?
You are gonna
Don't
overdose
haunt
over
me.
something.
And honestly, everything I said, I don't mean you're beautiful.
Nice.
No, I mean everything I said.
Yeah.
You know what's funny too? You look like him after he overdoses.
No, I actually stop. Byron, stop.
So good.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
But I actually.
I want to fuck her. I've never fucked a fentanyl addict.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
How does that even make sense?
She look like you look like an abortion that made it.
You look like an abortion that literally failed.
You're a success story.
He's a success story. He's a crack baby that
You
made
look like a ghost looking for your soul.
Bitch, you look like a fucking.
You know what's funny? Here's the best part. I was an Armani model. Let's go in the chat.
Bitch, let me see your real teeth under that fucking.
No, they look like yours.
Bitch, my teeth are perfect. My teeth are perfect, bitch, and I've never had fucking braces. Don't fucking come for me.
You have
Okay.
good teeth?
What?
Okay, yeah. No, vampires have great teeth.
Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Vampiros.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Okay, please give up now.
Yo,
Yo.
this
No,
is
I can keep going. Keep
this is
going.
probably one of the
Yo,
biggest.
rap battle 50-0.
Yo,
50-0, bro.
yo,
Holy
She's a
shit.
masochist
Holy
at this
shit.
A success story.
No, honestly, you're cute. You look like all the girls in my DMs. Right now, they DM me nice things. Like they all look like you.
Kobe Bryant, 81
When you
points.
get women,
The only
that
difference
are
is they're
your
left on
age or
red. I'm talking to
older,
you.
Then maybe I'll respect you because for sure you go for minors.
You think anybody cares about your
listen,
respect?
Can we see your ex? Does he look like me?
Not at all.
Can we see one photo so we can laugh?
Okay.
Are you even in a relationship?
Many. Right? I said I like teenagers, bro. I'm always at the playground. Fuck you talking about.
That's insane. That's insane.
What?
Bro. Hey,
They're 18 and 19. We're good, bro. FBI in chat, we're good.
18 and 19.
Actually, not good.
All right, let's.
It's either
okay.
teenagers or the alternative, these women. Right? Do the math, bitch.
You're making a good case for the teens.
Women's brains stop